welcome back to my channel. It's Island Beauty, and I'm back with this holiday makeup look. It's a really bold look with a bold lip and this eyeshadow look and the hair, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified each time I post. And also, happy holidays, guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright, loves, for this look, I'm using my James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm taking that brown shade that's in the middle. I don't have the paper, so I will list it in the description, but I'm going to use that as my transition color. And then I'm taking that red shade and I'm going to use that as my all over lid color. And this is a really pretty red and it's really pigmented. I'm using my Too Faced concealer to just cut a half crease. And then I'm going into that gold shade from the palette, and I'm just going to use that as my lid where I applied the concealer at. And this was so pretty, y'all. Like, yep. So I went back in with the red shade just to smoothen out the edges, just to make it look super seamless. And that is it for the eyes. Now moving on to my face, I'm using my Mario Badescu spray just to add some moisture, and I'm just gonna pat it in with my fingers. For my primer, I used my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys already know how I feel about this primer. It's bomb. For my foundation, I used my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I used it in the shade Chai. I'm just going to apply this using my e.l.f. foundation brush. This is a really good foundation, y'all. If you don't have it, get your hands on it, boo. For my concealer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm applying some under my eyes, nose, forehead. You guys know how it goes. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques sponge. This concealer and this foundation blends together so well, y'all. You just don't know. I did go ahead and add some more concealer to under my eyes, just for a little bit more coverage. To set my concealer, I used my Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium. And I'm just going to set all the areas where I highlighted. To contour, I went with my staple contour palette, my Through Complexion Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just gonna contour. I also took some of that same contour powder and contoured my nose using the same brush. I didn't want a sharp contour. For my bronzer, I went with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I just bronzed my face. And this is in the shade Cocoa Naughty. To dust away the powder and just set the rest of my face, I used my Soft Focus Black Radiance powder in Creamy Bronze. To set my face, I used my Morphe setting spray. And for this makeup look, I used two highlighters. First I went in with my Penny for Your Tots Fenty Beauty. Comes off more of a blush than a highlight. And for the second highlight, I went with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I used that bronze shade just to highlight in the same spots that I used the Penny for Your Tots. And as usual, I go back in with a brush just to smoothen it out and make it not look so crazy. And I set my face one more time with the Morphe setting spray. I went in with my mascara. It's never gonna change. My Bad Girl Bang mascara. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how this mascara makes my lashes look? And these are natural lashes, boo. So for this look, I had two lip options. They're both by L'Oreal. The first one was Devil Matte Vocate Red, and then the second one was Madly in Love. I chose to use Devil's Matte because it was a nicer red and not too bright. So I lined my lips, of course, using my BFF 2 liner by Colourpop Cosmetics. And then I went in with the lipstick, the Devil's Matte Vocate Red. It actually came out pretty good. It wasn't like a crazy red. I went back in with my foundation brush just to go around my lips, just to perfect it a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you get notified each time I post. Alright, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it.